Most people think getting better with money requires earning way more, but the real shift happens when you start understanding how everyday decisions quietly shape your financial future. So today, I'm going to break down one simple rule that can help beginners take control fast, even if you feel behind. It's called the automatic money flow. And once you set it up, your finances run on autopilot. No stress, no guilt, no forgetting, no relying on willpower. Here's how it works in plain English. Every time you get paid, you never let the money sit in your checking account. Checking is the danger zone. It's where impulse spending wins. Instead, you create 3 separate buckets: bills, goals, and spending. Bills is for rent, utilities, phone, the predictable stuff. Goals is for savings, investing a small amount, and building your emergency fund. Spending is the fun category: eating out, shopping, entertainment. Now here's the power move. You automate transfers on payday so the money moves before you even touch it. That one habit forces you to save, protects you from overspending, and builds long-term stability without thinking. Let me give you a simple example. If someone earns $1,000 per paycheck, they might automatically send $500 to bills, $200 to goals, and keep $300 in spending. Even tiny percentages add up over time. The reason this works is psychological. When you only see the money that's safe to spend, your brain naturally adjusts. You avoid debt, you avoid the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and you start building real momentum with money, quietly and consistently. If you feel like your finances are chaotic, try this system. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is structure. With an automatic flow, you protect your future self from your current habits. And that's how everyday people build financial confidence without earning more.